Lola.
I'm Mrs. Woofit. Welcome to dog school.
Playground's got the best vibe. I can feel the adventures already.
Just don't trip over your own paws, hoodie boy.
You two are hilarious. Come on.
Race to the field!
Watch my fancy footwork.
Whoa, fancy indeed!
Plus it here!
Go! Hi, Pot Team!
Best recess ever.
Because we did it together.
Ready for another day at dog school?
Ready as I'll ever be, as long as there's recess.
Don't forget, spelling quiz first thing.
All right, class, pause up. What's 3/4 plus 1/4?
One whole bone.
Correct.
Nicely done.
Pretty sure I aced that quiz.
Your handwriting still looks like paw prints.
At least it's legible.
You've got this!
Show 'em how it's done, girl!
Here we go!
Looking strong.
Keep those paws moving!
She did it first place.
Way to splash, Lola!
On behalf of Possum Academy, I proudly present you this first place trophy.
Thank you!
Recess at the new spot Lola. Ready to explore?
You bet. I'm on a mission for maximum fun.
This place has monkey bars, slides, everything.
Mind if I join your mission?
Only if you're fast on your paws.
Fast and fashionable. Nice dress.
Thanks, I'm Maisie.
Team Bulldog Unite.
Incoming. Got it.
Not so
Race
fast.
Partner.
Born ready, let's show 'em. Spin!
That was awesome.
And the best dance award goes to Lola and William!
We did it!
This rocks! Thank you!
Woo! That's my friend!
Ready for recess, William?
Always. Let's find something fun.
Race you to the field!
Pass. Got it.
Heads up!
You two are unstoppable.
Teamwork's our secret sauce!
And snacks later.
Great game, team. Best recess ever.
Friendship trophy goes to us. Come on, class time. Last one in's a soggy biscuit.
Lola, over here.
Save me a seat?
Yep, right next to the ketchup. Hi, Lola. Love the dress.
Thanks, Lucy. Yours is adorable, too.
Check out the menu. Kibble nuggets, carrot fries, and a mystery meatball. Deluxe.
As long as it's not last week's broccoli kibble, pass. Quality control.
Lola, sliding in with the deluxe kibble.
Ooh, smell that chicken mix. Possum.
Watch this trick shot.
Hey, did you just...
Win did it.
Uh-huh. Try this win.
Bullseye.
You two are nuts. Ha!
Totally worth the stain.
To the best lunch crew.
And 0 detention for food fights.
New term. I can smell adventure already.
As long as there isn't a surprise pop quiz, Captain Adventure.
I memorized the whole smell chart last night, just in case.
Good morning, class. Today we're learning how to measure distance using our noses.
Ooh, I've got a question.
Go ahead, William.
If the kibble factory is 3
Grin
sniffs...
ready. We might need it when the homework shows up.
Keep that grin ready. We might need it when the homework shows up.
You two are already making me laugh before class even starts.
Good morning, everyone. Pause on desks. Today we're diving into fractions. Let's make them fun. Now, who remembers what 1/2 means?
It means splitting something.
Without dropping a single meatball.
Score!
That's because you practiced with tennis balls, remember? And we got extra carrots for acing the quiz.
Let's eat before the bell.
Race you to the last biscuit. You always lose. Class, who can spell fetch? Fetch.
ETCH.
Perfect.
Slide race.
Born ready. First to the bottom buys treats.
Okay, you won by a paw.
Want to race to the field?
Only if you promise not to cheat again.
I'll keep score. No funny business.
Deal. Last one there sniffs the cones. Pass to me. I'm open.
Coming at you.
Go.
Nice one, champ. High five.
Whoa, hang on. Watch me
Smooth
slide.
landing. Okay, my turn with the ball.
Recess crew?
Born ready. The slide already called my name.
Let's show 'em how it's done.
Soccer first. Loser buys snacks.
You're on. Catch me if you
Not letting
can.
you score that easy.
Got your back, Lola.
Whew, that was a workout. Water break?
Absolutely. Cheers,
To the
team.
best recess squad ever.
Who knew
Don't leave friends behind.
Nice bounce, Will. Got it. High paw. Bam! Teamwork.
We spin faster when we're all aboard.
Best playground ever. Look at that sunset.
I'm so glad we ended up in the same class.
It's the best part of the day.
Forever recess, buddy. Same time tomorrow?
You know it.
Can't wait. Shine in the breeze, paws on the ground. Come along, let's make some happy sound.
Hop, skip, star, jump, ready, set, go. I'm zipped up in my hoodie, my heart's a
Twirling like the petals in the springtime air. Every step we share shows how much we